Hi, peeps. Um, wow. I've had an interesting couple of days. I've been working hard outside for a couple, 2 or 3 days, um, and I'm beginning to get my stamina back and a little strength. Yesterday was a really good day. Gracie and I got a lot done. We dragged a bunch of um, uh, grass and weeds over to the neighbor's cows, and we probably did 3 or 4 loads of that. But we put them on a big tarp, and then I hook the tarp to my golf cart, and we drive them over and dump them out. It was really it was really good to get outside and work. The weather here in Central California has been stunning. It has been beautiful. In the 70s, lows to mid 70s. No rain yet, although we have a storm coming in. Bright blue sky, a little bit of a breeze, absolutely beautiful. So I've been trying to take advantage of that and work outside as much as I can. Although today I woke up at 4:30 in the morning, perfectly rested. I'd had about, I don't know, maybe 5 hours of sleep. And I'm lying there and looking at my phone and thinking, well, I've got some energy. So after about an hour, I got up and I started cleaning. And I don't know. Well, I'm sure most of you guys know what it feels like to be in the zen of cleaning when you just you've had your coffee and a little bit of breakfast, and you're just feeling like you've got energy and you're focused and you can see all the stuff that has to be done, and you just put your little head down and you start doing it without like second guessing anything or trying to plan. Just whatever you stumble upon that needs to be cleaned, thrown out, put away, you just do it in this wonderful flow of cleaning. That's the kind of day I'm having. Now, these days have been few and far between in recent years. So it has felt really good to work inside today. Right now, I'm sitting in my little office slash craft area that's supposed to be a dining nook. And I've got a desk in here that I inherited from a friend after she passed, and a bunch of other stuff, meaningful junk, um, and boxes and boxes of craft supplies. Anyway, I decided I was going to sit down at this desk and go through my makeup, and I'm throwing out all the old stuff, cleaning off the containers of the stuff that I'm going to keep, organizing it, all of that. And the hilarious thing is, as you guys well know, at least in recent years, I don't wear makeup. I don't want to wear makeup when I'm going out. I don't wear makeup when I'm going to have my pictures done. I just don't wear it. I love it. I love to own it. I love to look at it. I love to buy it, even though it feels like a frivolous expense these days because I've got enough to last me a lifetime. But boy, do I like to run my fingers through the makeup and get it all clean and tidy. It just feels great. It's kind of like, organizing your towels by color, or putting all of your embroidery floss in rainbow order, that kind of thing. Well, that's what it's like for me today. So anyhow, I've been sitting here just doing that, and I thought maybe I would give you a little look-see at what I'm dealing with. Okie dokie. Well, to get the full effect, I'm going to bring you in. Just look at how dirty my floor is underneath that. I mean, that's seriously dirty. I to get the full effect, I thought I'd show you. I've got some baskets of unsorted stuff, my trash bag, my vacuum cleaner, but this is looking so much better than it was before, and I know it does not look good, but it looks better. And so what do I have? Well, I have a bunch of craft paper back there that I'm holding on to for some damn thing or another. And here's Spot. Many of you know Spot. Spot used to live in my mom's, what's in here? Oh, I don't know. Spot used to live in my mom's apartment years ago. Oh, I know what's in here. This is craft supplies. These craft supplies need to go over there and be put away. So let's see if I can Yeah, there we go. So Spot used to live in my mom's apartment, and he came to live with me after Mama passed. Um, this is stuff I used to make armatures for little animals. Um, just stuff. I have a bunch of jewelry that I inherited from the same woman from whom my desk came. Oh, look at this beautiful little thing. My friend Tom's roommate passed away, and he gave me this old paper cutter that had been hers. So my peacock feathers are a little bit worse for wear because the cats love to jump up there and attack them. So, that's all right. I live with the cats. Oh, I got to show you guys my newest weird thing. Look at this weird thing. Isn't this strange? It was a poodle lamp, and it's made out of plaster, some dang thing. Feels like concrete. Might be concrete. Has a very old velvet ribbon. $3. I just thought this was the funniest thing. So Grant cut the lamp part off because it's, no longer working. And it goes with all of the other poodles that I have up there. I've got some cats and other stuff as well. But yeah, so that's my latest acquisition. And actually it was free. Some guy up the street was just giving it away. What else do we have? Let's see. All right, I'm going to sit. So, whoa, what am I sitting on? Oh, the craft supplies like an idiot. Put them on the chair and totally forgot. So here's the desk, and it's got all kinds of weird stuff on it. A crazy quilt and the lovely lamps that go with my desk that also goes with the ginger jar there that I got from that same friend of mine who passed away. Look at this. Okay, look at how many women hold on to old lashes for no good reason. I got a pile of them there, and all these that need to have their containers cleaned. I don't know why I'm holding on to lashes. I don't wear lashes, but I'm holding on to them. So my organization. Okay, I've got eyeshadow palettes in here. Some of them date back to 2014, 15. They should be thrown out, but I'm not going to because now they're artifacts. I have eyeshadow in here. This stuff hasn't been categorized yet, but what I've done is I've cleaned out these drawers, and I really like this drawer. This is the skincare drawer. I have all the tools and brushes here, sheet masks, and then this is just all skincare stuff that much of it is some of it's new, some of it's old. This is extremely old. This is squalene skin, like a serum. Now this is actual squalene, the stuff that you can't get anymore, probably good, but it's squalene from, I think it comes from sharks. I'm not positive. Now all the squalene is vegan. I haven't tried it yet, but the reason I keep this is because my mother used this stuff every single day, and it smells like her. So I'm keeping it for the reminiscent scent. All right, so let's see, what else do we have? Oh gosh, you can see all the craft supply boxes and all kinds of weird stuff just there. I love having my peacock feathers arch over my head. It feels so, I don't know, it feels so Phryne Fisher-ish. So yeah, this is where I'm at today. I'm going to turn this back around. The other thing that I want to show you, and I don't know if I'm going to do it in today's video or not, but I did something very unusual for me. I went shopping a few weeks ago with friends to a couple different Japanese novelty stores. You used to call them dollar stores, but they aren't dollar stores anymore. They're $7 stores. Um, and one of them has like very expensive skincare and makeup and stuff, along with like little things you organize in that's less expensive. But they have a whole wall of Korean makeup and skincare that I had a hard time resisting. I bought something that I totally don't need, and I bought it for the title. I bought it for the label alone. So when I show you that, you guys are going to get a kick out of it. And I bought a few other useful things as well. So I haven't even taken that stuff out of the bag yet. I put it aside thinking I want to do a video, so I'm going to just leave it all alone. And I think today I may do it, and if I do, it's going to be stuck on to the end of this video. So yeah, gosh, I'm feeling really good, as you can tell. I have energy. I haven't taken anything to make myself energetic, except I am continuing to titrate up to a full dose of the Contrave. So I think perhaps the fact that it's got a big slug of Wellbutrin in it is part of why I'm feeling relaxed and a little bit energetic. So yeah, that's that. All right, so if I just upload this video to now, obviously you're not going to see the the what do you call those hauls? It's been so long, I forgot what they're called. My haul video, and if I do it well, this video is going to continue. So one way or the other, I will talk to you guys later.